Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over our Dollar General clearance event deals part 1. So first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, if you haven't heard, we have a Dollar General clearance event. It is going to be starting on Friday, June the 9th, running through Sunday, June the 11th. Now, I have already uploaded several other clearance event videos for you all this week, and I do plan on uploading more, probably about 2 a day. So it is going to be very, very important that you guys check out the pinned comment right down below this video. I will be updating it as I upload new videos. So make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video, especially if you are watching this video later on in the week. And as always, make sure that you have your notifications turned on and set them to all, because you are not going to want to miss out on any awesome deals. Alright, now before we take a look at the deals, as you all can see, this video is going to be about paper products that are going to be included in the Dollar General clearance event. And I'm going to be honest with you all, I really debated on whether or not I should upload this video, because I know that the paper products are going to be harder to find. We just literally had a clearance event a month ago, so a lot of these items were bought up then. However, as you guys know, I have been traveling quite a bit over the last couple of weeks, so I've been visiting some new Dollar General stores that I normally don't get to go to, and I'm still seeing these paper products out there, believe it or not. At one store, I found an entire end cap full of paper and laundry products. I couldn't even believe it. In fact, I found several stores that still had a lot of the laundry products. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and put these deals together for you all, share the coupon matchups. It's better to be safe than sorry, because if there is one thing that I have learned about these Dollar General clearance events, is that you just never know what you're going to find. So we are going to go ahead and jump right in. I do want to give you all a quick reminder that you can print off free printable coupons on the pnggoodeveryday.com website. That link is in the description box down below, but be aware you do not want to print them off until right before you go to the store, because those coupons are only good for 24 hours. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at these deals. Now, as you all can see, I set it up the exact same way as I did during the last clearance event. We have the first slide with the product. The last 4 of the UPC code is up there in the top right-hand corner. And then if that product has a coupon matchup or a rebate, that will follow directly after the product. So hopefully that is easy enough to follow. Now, I do want to remind everybody that you definitely want to scan before you go up to the register, because as with all Dollar General clearance events, you never know what you're going to find, and you never know what's going to happen. So you always want to scan those products to make sure that they're going to ring up the additional 50% off or 70% off, depending on your store, before you go up to the register. All right, now, while we're taking a look at these paper products, I do want to go ahead and share a little Dollar General clearance event story with you all, because I learned a very, very valuable lesson during that clearance event. So this was a few years ago, right whenever I first really started getting into these Dollar General clearance events. I don't even think that I was posting videos at this time, but I do remember that I did my homework all week long. I studied for this clearance event, getting ready the items that I wanted to pick up, the coupons, the inserts, the printable coupons, rebate apps, the whole 9 yards. And of course, I went out that week. I checked out all of my local Dollar General stores, and I knew exactly which store I was going to go to first, which store I was going to go to second, third, fourth, and so on. I had my entire weekend planned out around this clearance event. So I get up that morning super early, ready to go, and my plan was I was going to kind of start at the south end of the county at my first store, which would have been about 20 minutes away. So I was going to start down there and just kind of work my way north. So I get in my car, ready to go, and something keeps telling me you need to go by your regular store first. So this is my main store. It's literally right down the road from me. I love the store. I love that employees, but typically the inventory is kind of hit or miss. And I had already scoped out these stores, and the clearance section was absolutely just bare bones. I mean, there wasn't hardly anything in their clearance section. So I was going to honestly just skip over that store completely and not even stop during the clearance event, because I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go and spend my time at these other stores where they have more clearance items, and why waste my time at this store with a little rinky-dink clearance section where I'm probably not gonna find very much. But like I said, that morning something just kept telling me to go by your regular store. So I decided to go ahead and drive by there just to see, what's going on. I drive by and I see the employees there 30 minutes before the store opens, and they are already dragging out tons of gray totes from the store. And I pull in there and I'm like, hey, what's going on? And she's like, it's a Dollar General clearance event. What are you talking about? So, y'all, long story short, don't pass up a store, don't write off a store, because I went into my main store right down the road for me, and that was probably my biggest Dollar General clearance event haul ever. I literally had 2 buggies completely full, and I probably didn't even pay $30 for all of it. So that just goes to show you, you never know what you're going to find during a Dollar General clearance event. All stores do things differently. I believe that store was even marking down an additional 50% off at the register manually. I definitely learned my lesson that weekend, and ever since, during Dollar General clearance events, I will not pass up a Dollar General. At the very least, I will stop, do a quick run through, and see what's going on at that store. Like I said, you just never know. Guys, so there's my little clearance event story time. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Now we are almost to the end of this video, and as you all can see, I kind of threw in a few random household items there for you all at the end. We have a few curtains that are going to be included, a little Bissell sweeper. So those are some things that you want to be on the lookout for. I may have to put together a few shorts videos for a couple of the categories like pets and baby items, so be on the lookout for those. And one last quick reminder before you all go, make sure that y'all check out the pinned comment right down below. That way you don't miss out on any videos, because I will be uploading all week long. I'm going to try to get up 2 videos a day, cram-packed full of deals, visuals, coupon matchups, rebate matchups, the whole 9 yards. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. And of course, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. Y'all know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.